Prime Minister Andrew Holness says greater focus is being placed on how reports of domestic and intimate partner violence are treated by the police. This comes after Mr. Holness visited the family of the 5 people who were killed in Clarendon recently. Kelisha Williams has that story.
A mother and her 4 children killed in Cocopee's Clarendon on June 21, a relative accused of committing the barbaric act. As Jamaicans struggle to come to terms with the incident, it has once again reignited the conversation on domestic violence in the island, especially cases where the police have been accused of not taking reports seriously.
We're going through a transition in the JCF, in how the JCF responds to domestic violence and intimate partner violence. You know, years gone by, there would be a kind of nonchalance. It's a man and woman business. It's a family matter.
While visiting the victim's family in Cocopees on Friday, Mr. Holness said the culture of how reports on domestic and intimate partner violence are treated is changing within the force.
The reception that you will receive at a police station will be far more encouraging than in the past if you go to report a threat or an act of violence against you. I'm not saying that this is even right across the board. There are still, the culture still exists, but the institution is changing as to how the law enforcement, how the police agencies respond in a positive way towards a complaint of the threat or use of violence.
While stressing that this was not necessarily the case in the Clarendon incident, Mr. Holness explained that the ease at which families have been reverting to violence is alarming.
So I'm encouraging Jamaicans to be on the lookout, be very observant, be very alert, that anyone in your family that is displaying this propensity to use aggression and violence, don't take it as normal behavior. Violence is abnormal.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.